All right, so we are getting all packed up, getting ready to roll out of town. We're going today from Casa Grande, Arizona to, where are we going, babe?
Goodyear, Arizona.
Goodyear, Arizona. And today we are trying out our new setup of cameras in the cockpit here. Let me show you what we got going on. You can probably see them already, but here's what we got. We got this one right here on the side that will point over and capture me and Marion sitting there. Then we've got this one right up here, which has a good microphone on it. That's a Rode microphone. And that one will capture the entire thing from this side to this side and hopefully capture our voices very well over the loud sound of the engine down here. Then we have 3 GoPros right here. This one in the middle, obviously, to capture the road out in front of us. And then one on each side to capture anything interesting that we see on the sides there. To control these, the one on each side there, these two, are going to be controlled by voice. So when I'm ready to record, all I have to say is GoPro, start recording. I think that's what it is. And then you'll hear it beep and it'll start recording. And then when I'm done, I say GoPro stop. And if I want them to power off, I could say GoPro power off. However, if I want to turn them on, I'd have to actually physically get up there and turn them on, because you can't just say GoPro turn on, you know, because it's not listening like an Alexa. The other 3, this one, and this one, are controlled by this remote right here, which I have attached to the steering wheel. So that way I don't have to take my eyes off the road at all. I can use that remote to power on those 3, to power them off, to start recording, to stop recording. So we should be able to get some really, really good footage here, unlike we've been able to get before and unlike I've seen in anyone else's videos. So I got to pull in this slide here yet that the lady is sitting on and a couple other things, and then we're going to hit the road. So right now we're just going to switch to that.
People always told me I need someone like you, someone who gets me and someone who's cool, yeah. And I like the way you are, and now I want it all.
Okay, they're all recording. Check this camera, check that camera.
Camera check, 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 check.
Cameras 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 are on. Okay, babe, we're on the road.
Yay! On the road again.
Okay, say goodbye to the mountains over there. I'm sure we'll be seeing more.
In 1 mile, turn left on I-10 West.
Here we go, babe.
Let's go.
yellow Corvette down there. That's like a B upgrade. We should get one, babe. I don't think we could tow it though. If you're the person in the little SUV on I-10 West that just waved at us and I didn't wave back, it's because I didn't see you in time. So hi! Okay guys, we are here. We have arrived. The little lady is still sitting in that same spot.
I've been up and working.
Yes, that's true. Let me step out here. I'll show you our site. I'm so glad because we were able to set up the awning, the outdoor area here, the Blackstone. Here is our site right here. This is an enormous site. If we had 4 more cars, they'd all fit in the site. We actually have from that side of the RV there all the way over to this RV. Enormous site. I've never seen a site so big. And look at this. In the background, right as we look out our front windows, we can see the mountains over there. I don't know how well you guys can see those right there. Let's zoom in. Look at that. Mountains in the background, Arizona. This is so cool. And then there was some people right down here that talked to us as we pulled in that were talking to us about YouTube. So they were happy to see us. Hi, if you're watching. And there we go. There's our site from the back. tow dolly up under there. We got the whole thing set up. It is a totally different feeling, guys, to be able to have this set up. It feels so much more free than the other places we've been. You know, New Mexico, where it was so windy we couldn't even put the awning out. But we got the Blackstone out here, everything's set up. We lost a chair in transit, so we're gonna have to buy another one, but so excited here. So there we are, guys. Goodyear, Arizona. I'm so glad to be here. We're gonna get something to eat, and I'm gonna check out that footage from the cameras, see if there's anything I need to modify to make our travels look that much better for you. All right, baby, you wanna say goodbye to the peeps?
Bye, guys.
People always told me I need someone like you, someone who gets me and